Hello everyone, welcome once again. So in today's episode, I'm going to ask a question and our guest will answer the question. So as after this 1 month of the protest, after this protest rally from Jantar Mantar to Parliament of India, recently Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi has tweeted that he will take the strict action against all those persons who are involved in the malpractice in the unfair means of the examinations. Now the question comes, law is there, as in Rajasthan we have the law in 2020-22, the law enacted for the public examination. Other states as well have the law related to this unfair means of examination. But the question comes here is implementation of the law. There is accountability which is missing. Law is there, punishment is there in the law, but law is not fulfilled. The object for which the law was made is not fulfilled. That is why again there is a leak of the papers, again there is some other issues, or because of the agencies which are in the contract with the government, they are creating some problem. So to answer this question, today I welcome Professor Dr. P.P. Mitra sir for sir for the answering of this question. I welcome you sir today.
Thank you, Shubham. The issue is coming here. No doubt, Prime Minister has taken a very good initiative, that he has taken action and has told that he will take necessary measures for this such type of misconduct. But here two issues are coming. First thing is there that this is not the defect of the law. This is a defect of the law and order. If you see, C.K. Allen wrote one book, very famous book, that is the Law and Order. Law is different thing, law and order is different thing. So one same law is there, but law and order is not properly being followed. So here, no doubt, it is an administrative loophole. It is any kind of secrecy which has not been maintained by particular agency which has given the job to conduct such type of exam. This is the one issue. So that's why any prime minister or education minister, they have the less, I think so, this is my view, they have the less control over this procedure rather than the agency, government agency or that organization who is given the task, was particularly given the task to control from the printing to examination to evaluation to everywhere, every stage, publication. So whole duties are coming everyone. Now government has to find out that who is the original person or those set of person who has done this thing. This is totally administrative issue. Second thing is coming, another term is there, that is the ethics. The issue is the ethical, not the legal. So some ethical issues must be taken into consideration. As Shubham has told, one law, some states they have made the law for the control, but what they are making the law. If any person is found, then there should be the punishment. Or any group of person, they are found guilty or any kind of misconduct, they will be punished. So provision has been made stringent, stricter. But how to conduct the free and fair exam or any kind of honesty should be followed, that is another ethical issue. So each and every person must be responsible. They must have to take the action. They must be duty bound. Then this problem can be solved. Rather than law, I think here the application of the law, the implementation of the law is most important. And if you see that everywhere, the same law is there. But during this period, their system was good. But during this period, system has not become good. So where is the defect? Defect is not in law. Defect is the law and order. So on the morality ground, law and order should be the good, just to control, just to make such type of. On such legal system, if you see, education policy is good, but the strong administrative system must be needed. That can do this thing. So here I think if you want a good, fair honest exam policy. So here you need the very good people who are very much duty bound and where administrative strict sense is there. Then only the country will become the good one and people will get the faith over this examination system.
Okay, sir. So there is a question. There is another question in this. As the law is there, issue is in implementation. So sometimes when the law is there, but the punishment is not up to date. But law was in as Rajasthan has enacted the law in 2022. Other states have also enacted the law related to this unfair means in the public examination. So why just increasing the punishment if the Parliament of India or the state legislature, those who have the powers, if by amending the law, if they increase the punishments, making to the death penalty or imprisonment for life without commutation, will it help in making or creating the accountability of those who are involved while for conducting all these things examination, and those who are the coaching institution or any persons who is involved for committing all these offences of public examination related to the unfair means, sir?
Yes, yes. You see, so question is coming here that criminal punishment, increasing of punishment is one thing, but this is the from beginning what I am telling. This is the administrative issue. This is mainly the law and order issue. So here punishment is create one kind of fear among the people. If you see, recent so many laws have been made. I am wearing the helmet not for to save my head. I am wearing that police may catch me. That's why. If you see so many social evils, suppose dowry or any kind of your sati system, those were abolished due to the fear of the legal procedure. So if you made a strict provision of the law, that will create one kind of fear. If I have been caught, then I may be charged, I may be prosecuted in the higher punishment. So no doubt it will create a one kind of fear or one kind of stress if any kind of misdemeanor who are doing such type of thing, who is creating such type of problem. But apart from that, till I believe that punishment, apart from punishment, if you see that if you increase the punishment, level of punishment, where the crime will be reduced. That is the eternal issue. So not to the coming under purview of the crime, it is better to keep in the purview of the administration and better how to make the better administration. So law should be made in such a manner that everyone should be responsible from the top of the bottom of the administration to the last the peon or last the duty bearer, office bearer who is related to this matter, conducting the exam, free and fair exam. So they must be responsible. So here the responsibility is the most important thing. Make them liable for this such type of wrong rather than the enhancement of the criminal punishment. I think so.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us on this topic. For the next session, stay tuned. Thank you.